Today we're going to open or unbox an Ancestry DNA kit. We've been kind of wanting to do this for a long time, my wife and I, and just basically see where we're from. So here we go. Alright, it's kind of like opening Christmas presents. Kind of excited. Alright, here we go. Get out of the way, we'll get that later. Oh, we got one more little tab here. Okay. Well, here it is. Ancestry DNA. Welcome. We have an activation kit and gathering your DNA. It's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. We'll go through the do's and don'ts of this. You have your collection bag, your collection for your DNA, and of course, my favorite part, prepaid postage. So let's go through some instructions right here. Alright, so step one is to activate the kit online. It says do not skip this step. You cannot get your results unless you activate it online. So that's pretty self-explanatory. You go to ANCESTRYDNA.com/activate. Don't have an Ancestry account, it says. It's easy and free. We'll help you set one up. Step two of the first part would be to enter the 15-digit activation code from the collection tube. This code links your sample to you. It is only the way we can identify you as the person giving the sample. And this is your 15-digit activation code at the top there for your sample, and that will be you and only you. Okay. And also down here at the bottom it says you can put your name here and you can write in your activation code. And for your records, just keep all this together, and then we'll go to step two, gathering DNA. So once we've opened this kit, which we'll do here shortly, it says to fill the tube up with saliva to the black line. Fill the tube up to the saliva, not including bubbles. And make sure it's full. It's less than 1/4 of a teaspoon is what it's saying. It says do not overfill. The next step will be replace the funnel with the cap. Remove the funnel from the tube. Screw the enclosed cap tightly to release the solution. That will stabilize the DNA with your saliva. It's basically a preservative, so once it's shipped off, it won't go bad, I guess. And then it says to tighten to release the fluid. You'll know it works when the tube solution from the cap has emptied into the tube. And last but not least, which I kind of went past the first go around on gathering the DNA, it has a red stop sign. It says do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. I guess they don't want it to ruin the sample or whatever. And we'll go to the third and final step. It says your test will take 6 to 8 weeks from the time we receive your sample. So here, once you've screwed the lid down tight, shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. And then over here, once you've done that and everything's mixed together, it says place the tube in the collection bag. And then you go put your collection bag in the prepaid postage box that they've sent with you and send it off. And it's pretty simple. This is what the tube looks like up close. Here's your funnel, the funnel action. It makes it pretty easy to aim, I guess. And then once you've finished filling up to this line here, this wavy line, you'll unscrew this, and then you'll screw this. This is the solution. You will replace that with the funnel, screw it on, and shake it around for about 5 seconds. And it mixes with your saliva, and I guess it preserves it. Once they get it, then they'll be able to determine who you are and where you came from. Thank you. Okay, everybody, we've got it. It's full. We've taken the funnel off. We've screwed this down to release the blue stuff that interacts with the saliva. Shake it for 5 seconds. I guess that's a preservative. Next, we're just going to stick it in this bag right here. Take the, like that, take the seal off with the plastic, fold it over. Voila, there you go. And what we're going to do is stick it in this bag right here, and we're going to nail it out. Close it like that, and there's tape right here. So it's pretty easy. It's signed, sealed, and it will be delivered tomorrow. It'll be on its way to finding out who we are. And thank you very much for watching.